Hello friends, in this video we will see how we can automate upwork.com, like how we can automate the employer Upwork profile. That if we can message someone on the Upwork with seamlessly without any interference of human, so we can do that. Let's see. I have make made already environment for Python. Then I am running the script. Let's see what happens. And it will open the Chrome browser automatically. Basically here I'm using the Selenium, and also there is a catch with the Upwork because Upwork need a Cloudflare authorization when we enter the email. If we use normal kind of automation with Selenium, it fails, but I have added undetected Chrome driver also, so that's how we will go to the website, and after that it will enter the password, and then wait 5 seconds, then we'll enter, then we hit the button, then and it will enter password and hit the button, then go to the dashboard, then it will redirect to the talent page. After that it will wait around 10 seconds for waiting for enable the advanced search button. After hit the advanced search button, there will be the model with some kind of text areas, and we can fill the text area automatically. Text area will be filled, then search button is, then the list of profiles will be there, and then we can invite with the message box.